I'm Izzy.
I'm Alyssia.
And this is Blaire's Family Farm Restaurant. There's cornbread that looks delicious. My grandma makes cornbread. When you order, you can ring the bell.
Oh, it does ring. Menus. It tells you what you can order.
You have the spoon to mix up the stew.
There's also these knobs, they also turn for the oven, which is really cool.
It's some nice little jars where you can stash the cookies. Shh, don't tell Grandma. There's a nice window so you can peek through and smell all the tasty stuff. You can give them some cups. And now you can pour them the lemonade. And if they have any spaghetti, you can shred some cheese for them. After you're done eating, you can clean it all up. And then you could slide this out and flip it over and turn it into a dance floor. Yeah, so the people can dance.
The tray pops off of the cart.
So you could serve them some drinks if they get dehydrated from all that dancing.
I think the girls are gonna love the cooking part because it's really fun and everything's so miniature, so it makes it even better.
I think they're gonna like that they can move all these sorts of things and change it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the farm restaurant as much as we did.
Bye.
Bye.